Welcome guys to Super Chef Bros. This is episode dose. This is episode dose. And yes, this is going to be a series. So let's get it.
Chef Club episode dose. After defeating the Minecraft meme, Mags Rich 123 and Scaldy Cam are now venturing to the land of fidget spinners. The trending meme now.
Unlimited time to flow, unlimited high to low, unlimited eyes looking right into the golden glow, unlimited bird's eye view I can finally see, unlimited times that I make myself a memory.
Behind me.
Do not enter! Fidget Lord, he's here!
What are you talking about, man?
The Fidget Lord, beware! Do not enter!
Get out of the way.
I said, do not enter!
No, man,
the
don't shoot.
Fidget Lord is too powerful! You'll never survive!
No, please.
No! No!
That's right, back off, please. Fidget spinner!
Choose your destiny. Flawless victory. Choose your destiny. Flawless victory.
Spinner! Check out the fidget spinner! Check out and make your big spinner! The Fidget Lord is back, baby!
Where are you? We got some work to do now. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We need some help from you now. Come on, Scooby-Doo, I see you, pretending you got a sliver. You're not fooling me, 'cause
Send help.
Where's my fidget spinner? No, the fidget meme!
Goodbye, sir.
It's dead!
You're dead now. And I knew it. Alright, I got my friend here, and he's a dead man. He's on the ground.
Scooby-Doo, where are you?